video, I'm going to cook my own breakfast. It's called rice paper pizza with my own recipe. Okay, and my breakfast always has a lot of vegetables. I like to eat a lot of vegetable, and it's my rice paper pizza. It comes with all ingredients on my table, and you can see is on my table. I have today. I cooked 3 kind of pizza. So one cooked with shrimp, one cooked with the meatloaf, pork meatloaf char, and one is cooked with name, and it's called like cooked ground pork for barbecue. So an egg and the cheese and butter, and come with the seasoning and the chili and mayonnaise for the seasoning sauce. So with all cooked with all the vegetables, like bell pepper and red pepper and mushroom, round purple onion, green onion, and they cook with, and I wanted to shrimp too. And that's for my breakfast today. And chào các bạn, hôm nay mình sẽ làm bánh tráng nướng trứng, với những cái nguyên liệu là có những cái rau quả trên đây, và mình sẽ làm 3 loại bánh tráng để cho làm breakfast của mình, làm bữa sáng của mình nha. Đây cũng là một cái món ăn chơi của ngày xưa đi học, như là mình đi học mình hay ăn sáng ở ngoài đường, bán ở ngoài đường đó. Thì bây giờ bữa nay mình sẽ làm cái món đó để nhớ lại cái tuổi thơ mình đi học, mình ăn hàng những cái món bánh tráng như thế này. Và yeah, so now let it cook now. Now I will process the meat now. Okay, so now I'm going to cook fry my name is called cooked ground pork for barbecue. So let's do it. I do first one with the name. Okay, first one with the name. So I put some onion on. Put 1 egg on, okay? And I use a spoon to blend this out. Turn on the heat very low heat. Now I put some vegetable on. Here. Okay. And I put some mushroom on it. This kind of food we don't have in the menu in the restaurant. We don't have in the American. They don't sell it, so only in Asian have. Okay, and put some purple onion on it. The raw purple onion. Vegetable. Now put the name inside. Okay, this looks very good on. Colorful. You eat and you look good too. A little bit here. And wait for. Okay. So look at that, and it's my pizza. It looks very good look. And now I added mayonnaise on. So I use mayonnaise and add it up. So this. Yes. Chili on. Chili sriracha. Okay. This thing, look that. And then now I pour it up. Pour it like pizza, like pancake. Like, wow. Okay, now is my pizza done. Now I transfer to my plate. The first one. Pizza. Avec first I'm going to get jar. So I put the onion first with onion first. And I put another 1 egg. Bạn biết không, cái món này á, bên Mỹ không có nhà hàng và bên Mỹ không có bán cái món này, cho nên là mình thích ăn thì là mình tự làm thôi, chứ món này bên Mỹ không có bán, cho nên là tự mình làm ăn. It's mushroom on it. Ớt vô nha. Ớt vô cho nó đẹp. Bỏ ít onion, purple onion vô. Giờ mình phải bỏ thêm chả vô nha. chi lên. Cho nó giòn lên nha. Okay, now we done the second one with chả, with the meatloaf. And now I add mayonnaise on this. And I add chili. With chả. My breakfast very simple and easy, healthy. Okay, now I pour it up. It's crunchy. The first one I do with the shrimp. Take 1 egg. Now we put the same thing, the bell pepper and red pepper in here. Mushroom on it. Put some shrimp in here. Okay. Then put some cheese here. Okay, now I done the toast one with shrimp with the mayonnaise on it. With the hot chili sriracha. Look at that. Wait a little bit more crunchy. Now we've done the first one. It looks like bánh xèo. It's like Vietnamese bánh xèo. Okay, let me check out. Okay, now my rice paper pizza is done. Now just let's review it, okay? And use this because of breakfast. This pizza I use the knife and pork. Yeah, I cut it. Very easy to make. Everyone can make at home. Breakfast. Cheese. Yeah, just I feel taste everything like very tasty and just like not dry, but it's like juicy, and I like it everything like with a lot of vegetable inside. And I hope you guys like my video and you like it, rice pizza, my recipe, and watch my video and follow my channel, and click on notification and to get notified my video next video coming. And please support me, like, share, subscribe for me, and we'll see you next video. Bye.